Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the cloud recognition option of Vuforia Engine. In our previous videos, we spoke about how to configure Unity with Vuforia Engine and how to set up a project with a license key for the AR camera. I have opened up an empty scene like this on Unity. I have added the AR camera here. I'm going to create a new game object here in the hierarchy window. I'm going to select the Cloud Recognition game object in the Cloud Recognition options of the Vuforia Engine options. I am also going to select the Cloud Image Target game object in the Cloud Recognition options of the Vuforia Engine options. We can see here that we have to provide an access key and a secret key under the Cloud Reco Behaviour script of the Cloud Recognition game object. For this, we have to go to the developer portal of the Vuforia Engine website. After that, we have to go to the Target Manager tab and add a database. We can change the type here to Cloud and provide a name for it. I am going to name this database Test Cloud Reco and select the name of the project that has our license key. We have used the test project option here, so I will select that. I will then click Create here. I will click on the database and go to the Database Access Keys tab. I can copy the access key from under the client access keys and paste it in the access key box on Unity. I will do the same with the secret key too. I will then go to Vuforia and add a target. Earlier, we added an image target. We can similarly add another target here by clicking Add Target. I will browse through the images on my computer and select one that I downloaded from the internet. I will select the width as 1 and click Add. You can see that the target is being uploaded here. You should then come to the Vuforia developer library, which is library.vuforia.com. You have to then go to the Cloud Recognition drop-down list under Images and Objects and select the Working with Cloud Recognition option. You will then be able to see a description of how to set up Cloud Recognition for Unity. They have provided us with a script here. We will have to copy all of them and compile it into one script. I have already done so. You too can easily copy and paste them to create a C# script. You should then scroll down to the Add a Cloud Image Target section. They have asked us to modify the onNewSearchResult method. We should then copy the IfImageTarget template section and add it to the onNewSearchResult code segment of the script. I will drag and drop it to the Cloud Recognition game object. You will then see that there is a place for us to add our image target template. You can drag and drop the image target here. We have to then use Cloud Recognition to recognize the image and add the game object that we want to see in augmented reality as a child object of image target here. I am going to use the primitive objects provided by Unity here. I am going to add a cube here as a primitive object. I will rescale it now. We can click play here and check if the app is working. I will do so and show you now. When we play it, it uses our webcam. When we focus on the image that we provided using the webcam, you can see that the cube that we provided can be seen on top of the image in augmented reality. This means that our app is working successfully. We can build this app as an APK. To do so, you have to go to File and go to Build Settings and then switch the project to Android. After that, we have to change some of the settings under Player Settings. The scripting backend should be changed to IL2 CPP and the target architecture should be ARM64. You should also change the minimum API level to Android 8.0 and the target API level to automatic. After making these changes, you can build this APK and use it by installing it to your phone. I hope that you learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. We're so glad that you joined us on the Render Island channel today. We're always creating new content for Unity developers, so please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.